Or maybe that you still remember how much ya? How much was your pocket money? Berapa uang saku teman-teman ketika di sekolah ya? That you could say it about that. And now we're gonna try to talk about this teman-teman. It's called about traveling. Di hari ini kita akan berdiskusi tentang traveling. And when we try to talk about traveling, that we could find it about the several books of vocabulary. Jadi ketika kita ngomongin traveling, teman-teman, kita menemukan banyak kosakata di sini. Jadi ada plan a trip, jadi merencanakan sebuah perjalanan. Ada juga accommodation, itu akomodasinya. And that you could say it's about book a ticket. Jadi kalau kita mau bilang memesan tiket, kita bisa menggunakan book a ticket for this. Also that we could find it's about walk around ya. Jadi kalau kita mau bilang jalan-jalan teman-teman, that you could say it's about walk around, or maybe that you could say it's about vacation. Jadi kalau vacation, ini lebih ke liburan. Jadi similar seperti holiday ya. It looks like a holiday. Ada juga tour, atau kita bisa sebut wisata ya teman-teman ya. And trip itu lebih ke perjalanan. And destination itu lebih ke tempat tujuan nih. And also that you could find it sebuah direction. Jadi kalau kita mau memberi sebuah arah teman-teman, that you could give about the direction. Maybe all of you ya, that you ever use, it looks like a Google Map. Mungkin dari teman-teman yang ada di sini pernah menggunakan Google Map ya. That you ever use, it scans a Google Map when you try to look for, it's a part of the address ya. Ketika teman-teman mencari sebuah alamat, nah teman-teman sering menggunakan directions by Google Map. Ada juga airport, ini lebih ke bandara ya. Kira-kira nih, kalau di kota teman-teman ya, how many airport that exists in your city? How about you, Sis Naila? Berapa banyak bandara di kota Sis Naila? Is there an airport in your city?
Apa?
Apakah ada bandara di kota Sis Naila?
Tidak ada.
Wah, nothing. Okay. Right. And how about you, Sis Lita? Atau Bro Fahmi ya? Is there an airport in your city? Apakah ada bandara di kota Bro Fahmi or Sis Lita?
There's one in my city.
There's only one.
Yeah,
Okay.
the only one.
The one and only ya, Bro Fahmi ya. And how about you, Sis Maria? Is there an airport in your city?
Yes, only one is Kuala Namu.
Okay, there's only one and Kuala Namu ya. Okay, that's really cool. Sis Maria. And Sis Sophia or Sis Nurma, is there an airport in your city?
There are
Yeah.
two. Okay, Miss Sophia first.
Okay. At Halim Perdana Kusuma and then with Soekarno Hatta.
Okay, there's about two, yeah. It's exists in your city. Okay, and how about you, Sis Nurma?
The same with Miss Sophia.
Okay, because
There
that
are
you
two
live in
airports in
Jakarta,
the
yeah.
Soekarno Hatta and Halim Perdana Kusuma.
All right, that's really cool, Sis Nurma, and also Sis Sophia, because that you live in the same places, yeah. And how about you, Sis Fiana or Roshifa? Is there an airport in your city?
Nothing.
Thank you,
Nothing,
Bro.
Sis Fiana.
Nothing.
How about
Uh,
you, Roshifa? Kalau
yeah,
Roshifa ada.
yeah, Bro. In my place, any five airport,
Mm-mm.
Sultan Iskandar Muda,
Mm.
Rembele, Maliku Saleh, Sabang, Kutasani.
Mm-mm. Wow, that you have several airports ya in your city. Okay, that's nice, bro Shiva and also Sis Viana. And how about you, Sis Mimi or Sis Eka? How many airports that exist in your city?
There is
It's
an
nothing.
airport in my city. Sorry.
Sis Mimi, nothing. Sure.
Uh,
Okay.
don't have in my place, but
Mhm.
uh, closer maybe.
Mhm. Okay. This is answer, Sis Mimi, that you have tried to say it about that ya. Alright. So, ada juga that you could say sebut harbor, teman-teman, pelabuhan ya. Ada juga bus station. Bus station ini lebih ke terminal ya, teman-teman. It's called sebut bus station. And also that you could find it about train station. Jadi kalau stasiun kereta api, kita bisa ucapin train station. Ada juga passenger. Ini lebih ke penumpang ya, teman-teman ya. Jadi kalau kita menemukan banyak penumpang nih, that you could say it's about passenger here. And also that you could say it's about tourist, lebih ke turis aja teman-teman. And tourism, ini lebih ke pariwisata. And travel agent, biro perjalanan. Kayaknya udah jarang ya kita menggunakan biro perjalanan sekarang. Ada juga sunbathing ya. Jadi kalau teman-teman yang suka berjemur di sini ya, that you could say it's about sunbathing. And also that you could say about go camping, pergi berkemah, and arrive itu lebih ke tiba ya. That you could say it's about that. Maybe did you want to try to make a sentence from this? Mungkin ada yang mau coba teman-teman menggunakan beberapa books of vocabulary ini dengan tenses yang pernah kita pelajari sebelumnya ya. Jadi ada tenses present tense atau mungkin ada yang mau pakai past tense juga bisa ya. For example, for past tense ya. Where was the bus station? Di mana nih terminalnya? Nah, kita bisa pakai bus. Dikarenakan bus stationnya there's only one ya. Where was the bus station? Or maybe that she says about I walked around the city yesterday ya. Jadi walknya ada ed-nya. Jadi adalah tuh pantai. I walked around the city yesterday. Aku berjalan-jalan di sekitar kota kemarin. Or maybe that you says about I went to the airport 2 days ago ya. Jadi aku pergi ke bandara 2 hari yang lalu. Or maybe that you says about did you arrive at the cinema? Apakah kamu tiba di bioskop? Nah, that you could say it's about that. Or maybe did you arrive at train station? Jadi apakah kamu tiba di stasiun kereta? Jadi kita bisa pakai did ya. Jadi kalau ada did kembali ke verb 1. Tapi kalau kalimatnya positif kita bisa pakai verb 2 ya teman-teman ya. For example, that you say about I helped the passenger last month ya. Jadi aku menolong penumpang ke bulan lalu. That you could say it's about that. Mungkin ada yang mau mencoba ya, mau pakai past tense atau mau pakai present juga boleh ya. Sesuai ikit-mikit nih. Atau mungkin ada yang mau pakai past agar semakin familiar ya teman-teman dengan simple past atau ketika kita menyebutkan kegiatan yang terjadi di masa lampau. Kayak 4 hari yang lalu, 4 days ago, or maybe that you say about last week ya, minggu lalu ya. Last week, my trip was really nice ya. Jadi minggu lalu perjalananku sungguh menakjubkan. If you could say for this one. Or maybe that you're gonna say about the airport was really cool ya. Jadi airportnya sangat keren. When I visited the airport 2 days ago. Ketika aku mengunjungi airport 2 hari yang lalu, airportnya sangat keren. Jadi kalau tidak ada kata kerja, kita bisa pakai was atau were ya, teman-teman ya. Or maybe that you say about how was the train station? Bagaimana stasiun keretanya? If you could say it about that. Oke, let's wait and see. Siapa yang berani mencoba? Wih, ada Sis Jihan nih. Alright. Sis Jihan, mau pilih yang mana Sis Jihan?
Walk around.
Walk around, oke.
2 days ago, I walked around.
2 days ago, I walked around. Okay, that's correct about this one ya. Sis Jihan. Did you choose about walk around as a part of the verbal? And how about Sis Sofia?
Last Saturday, I went to the top for sightseeing.
For sightseeing, that's correct ya. That she says about I went to ya. This next is Sofia, pakai yang positif nih.
Thank
Okay,
you.
correct. You're welcome. Siapa lagi? You dare to try it, teman-teman? Is it only Sis Jihan and Sis Sofia? Apakah Sis Jihan dan Sis Sofia saja yang berani mencoba pakai yang pas? Oke, this we have Sis Eka. Silakan Sis Eka.
I had a trip to Japan last month.
I had the trip to Japan last month. That's correct about this one ya, Sis Eka. And how about you, Rushifa?
Okay, bro, thank you. I planned a trip. The first thing I did was book a plane ticket.
Okay, that's correct for this one, Rushifa. Siapa lagi nih? Dare to try it ya. That you can make a sentence from this ya. Wow, Sis Viana nih. That you dare to try it. Come on, Sis Viana.
Next month, I want to go on a strawberry picking trip.
Next month ya. That you're gonna go for this. This is really cool, Sis Viana. And how about you, Sis Raisa? Mau pilih yang mana?
I did walk around yesterday.
Okay. Jadi there's a part of go around that you choose ya, Sis Raisa ya.
Yeah,
I need to go around yesterday ya.
yesterday.
Okay. And how about you, Sis Nurma?
I accompanied my friend go to train station 2 days ago.
I accompanied ya. That's correct. That you could add the verb 80, Sis Nurma ya. And Sis Lala? Mana nih Sis Lala? Oke, silakan.
I accompanied my father went to the airport 1 week ago.
Oke, 1 week ago ya. Jadi mau pakai last week bisa, mau pakai 1 week ago juga bisa. Oke, that's correct about this one, Sis Lala nih.
Thank you.
Baik, guys. You're welcome, Sis Lala. Okay, Sis Sophia, that you want to try again?
Yeah, one more. She helped the old passenger get off the bus.
Helped. Jadi ada ed-nya. That's correct about this one, Sis Sophia. Jadi penyebutannya
Yeah.
ada letupan T ya. Nah, jadi nggak dibaca helped, tapi helped. That's really cool. Siapa lagi, teman-teman? This next nih. Dare to try it ya. If you try to put about verb to, kita bisa pakai verb to, teman-teman. Ketika kita memiliki kalimat positif ya. Tapi kalau kalimatnya negatif, kita bisa pakai didn't ya kan. For example, I didn't go vacation last year ya. Jadi aku tidak pergi liburan tahun lalu. If you could say it about that. Atau did you go camping several years ago? Nah, if you could say it about that. Or maybe that you say it's about, did you hire a travel agent when you went to Singapore ya? Ketika kamu pergi ke Singapura, apakah kamu menyewa seorang travel agent? Oke, Bro Fahmi. With sentence that you're gonna make it.
Once I go camping,
Sekali lagi.
I was go camping in Bedengan camping ground.
Mhm.
I was at university.
Mhm. Jadi nggak perlu pakai was, Bro Fahmi ya. Langsung aja, I went camping. Jadi kalau go itu kan verb 2-nya went. Jadi langsung aja I went camping to Bedengan. Nah, for this one. As you could say it's about that ya. Jadi nggak perlu pakai was, langsung aja go-nya kita ubah menjadi verb 2 ya. Jadi that you could say is about I went camping. Okay. It's nice about that, Bro Fahmi. And how about you, Sis Sofia?
She didn't book a ticket because she canceled the trip.
Okay, she didn't book a ticket ya. That's
Ticket.
correct that you put about the negative sentence for this. Or maybe it looks like says Maidita or Bro Satria that she wants to try ya kan. That you can choose which one the vocabulary that she wants to make it. Or says Nidar or Bro Leo. There's nothing ya for this. Nobody wants to try it. Or it looks like a sis Lita. Mungkin sis Lita mau mencoba juga. Or sis Naila. Okay, come on, sis Naila.
Bentar. Bentar.
Okay. So that you could make a sentence from this one, eh? Right. And how about this? Mungkin ada yang mau mencoba, teman-teman? What do you think about the culture of that place, ya? Menurut teman-teman dari gambar itu, culture-nya gimana sih? Nih. And what do you think about the food of that place? Please tell more about the special thing about that place which you know it. Mungkin ada yang mau mencoba menjawab salah satu pertanyaan dari gambar ini, teman-teman ya. Everyone that you know it, yes, about this picture. Which one the city who has about this culture? And what do you think about this culture? Or what do you think about the food of that place? Yeah. And please tell me about the special things of that place which I may not know. Terus yang terakhir, ceritakan hal yang spesial dari tempat tersebut nih. Okay. If you know it's about that uniform or maybe that's about that traditional dance that you know it exactly, yeah. What city of it? Okay. Dare to try it for this. Okay, Sis Sophia, which one that you want to answer it?
Is that Bali?
Yes.
Bali Island? With the talented Balinese dancer?
What else? That's enough, Sis Sophia? It's only the good talented?
Yeah, I guess
Just that?
that's it. Yeah.
Okay. That's nice. Try, Sis Sophia. And how about you, Sis Eka? Which one that you want to answer? Number one, number two, or
I
number
want to
three?
answer about what do you think about the culture of that place. I think this is in Bali, and there is they have sculpture, nice sculpture ya. Seni lukis, seni pahat apa? Sculpture.
Okay. They have really good culture.
Yes,
They have
and
nice culture for this. Then
yes, almost the people in Bali have sense of art.
it's a really good sense of
Please
art
correct.
there. Yes, correct for this one. Jadi kalau memahat kita bisa ucapin. Nah, there's a lot of carve. Yeah, there's about this one. Yes, of course. About carve nih. Atau mengukir ya. This. Okay. And how about you, Bro Leo?
Hello.
Yes.
Thank you. I think it's a dance from Balinese culture. The one on the right is probably the Kochang dance, and the one on left, it's probably the Nyepi celebration.
Okay.
Thank you.
Support of the culture, yeah. That you know it. That's really good, Bro Leo. And how about you, Sis Lala?
I think this place is Bali, and the favorite food is pork, and then special dance in Bali is kecak. Kecak dance.
Kecak dance, yeah.
Yes.
Okay, that's a really good,
Thank
Sis
you.
Lala. You're welcome that you have tried it. Yes, about this answer. And who's next? Who dare to try? Solid that. And what do you think about the food of that place? Yeah. Or maybe what do you think about the culture of that place? Menurut teman-teman, culture-nya gimana sih kalau di Bali nih? It's only that. You dare to try. It looks like this is Sophia, this is Eka, Bro Leo, and this is Lala. Anyone else? Did you know it's about Bali? Let's wait and see. Yeah? You dare to try for the next one. It's about of the culture, or maybe it's about wow. Yes, come on, Sis Raisa.
I wanna try. I once went to Batam. The food there was classic and spicy. In my opinion, the most special was Padang rice. Okay, thank you.
All right, this is Sis Raisa that you have tried to answer about. Siapa lagi? Udah to try it, teman-teman? There's only Sis Sophia, Sis Eka, Roleo, Sis Lala, and Sis Raisa. Who dare to answer about these pictures? Everyone? Anyone else that you could make about its kinds of the culture that you know it from this picture? Or maybe that you really know about the food there and the special things that you could find it. Hal yang spesial di Bali menurut teman-teman apa ya? So you could say it for this Okay, so everyone, let's get started about this our breakout room because there is no one who wants to answers about these questions anymore. Oke, kita mulai untuk breakout room kita hari ini teman-teman. Breakout roomnya kita akan bahas tentang masa-masa di sekolah ya. Let's try to discuss about that. And also, the support of the question that we're gonna have it later. Do you remember your school ya? Apakah teman-teman ingat ya masa sekolahmu? Who was your favorite teacher? Siapa guru favoritmu? Who was your favorite teacher? What did you like to do at What did you like to eat at school canteen ya? Kira-kira apa makanan favorit teman-teman ketika di sekolah ya? Did you have a boyfriend or girlfriend? Punya pacar atau tidak nih ketika teman-teman di sekolah ya? That you could tell us about that one nih. Okay, so let's get started about our breakout room. Kita mulai breakout room kita. Dan untuk interviewernya, wait, just say, yeah. Oke, untuk interviewer kelompok 1, itu ada Sis Jihan, interviewer kelompok 1. Interviewer kelompok 2, that we have it looks like Sis Eka ya. Sis Eka interviewer kelompok 2 nih. Oke, kelompok 1 ada Sis Jihan, kelompok 2 ada Sis Eka as a interviewer. Silahkan nanti ditanyakan beberapa pertanyaan tersebut nih. Kita mulai. 3, 2, 1, and let's go, teman-teman. Okay, so we're back again on our main room, teman-teman. Kita sudah kembali ke main room kita ya. So, let's get started about our 1 minute challenge. Kita mulai tantangan 1 menit kita ya. That's why they should gonna try to answer about this our topic today ya. Jadi teman-teman akan menjawab pertanyaan di hari ini. It's called about your school. As you're gonna ask you about you remember your school? Who is your favorite teacher? What did you like? What did you like to eat at school canteen? And did you have a boyfriend or girlfriend? Okay. Yang langsung raise hand that we have about Sis Raisa. Okay, come on, Sis Raisa. Let's try to answer it about those questions yeah. Because that's you are ready for it.
Yes,
You remember your school?
yes, I do.
Who was your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher was my biology teacher.
Mhm. And what did you like to eat at school canteen?
I like eat meatballs.
Mhm. And did you have a boyfriend?
No, I don't have
Okay, did
because
you
my
have?
mom will show me and
Okay,
angry for me.
it's really cool, yes, Sis Raisa, when you try to answer about your questions.
Yes.
And for the grammatical structure, this is really good. And the your confidence, this is really nice for this. Cuma ini aja ditambahkan ya. Guru favoritnya tuh siapa? Kalau tadi kan this only the subject ya. Maybe that you're gonna mention about the name ya. Ditambahkan namanya siapa. Because that you only say about the biology teacher ya. Itu aja
Oh,
untuk
berarti
detailnya.
tambahkan nama ya?
Tambahkan nama that you could add about the name. It's better for that. Okay. This nice is Raisa. And also that we have Sis Jihan nih. Our interviewer nih. Hai Sis Jihan. Do you remember your school, Sis Jihan?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Who was your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher was Mr. Willy.
And also, what did you like to eat at school canteen?
I like it to eat meatball.
And did you have a boyfriend?
No, I did because I shy.
Oke. Nah, untuk shy-nya ditambahkan M ya. Because I was shy nih for this one. Dikarenakan it happened in the past kan. Jadi Sis Jihan pakai yang sorry bukan M ya. Because I was shy. Jadi kalau untuk feeling, bisa pakai was atau were. Ketika subjeknya I, kita bisa pakai yang was ya. Sama untuk detailingnya ditambahkan rasanya gimana nih the support of your favorite food ya. Biar semakin lengkap ya Sis Jihan ya. Oke. Itu aja untuk koreksinya, confidence-nya oke, pengucapannya oke ini. Jadi kalau ada kata sifat ditambahkan was atau were. Dikarenakan subjeknya I bisa pakai yang was. Next is Jihan, thank you for trying. And next is Eka. Wow, interviewer juga nih. Do you remember your school, Sis Eka?
Yes, I do, sir.
And who was your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher is Miss Sunari. She taught accounting subject.
Okay, this is about accounting subject. And what did you like to eat at school canteen?
I like fried snacks like fried bananas and fried tofu. I think this delicious snacks.
And did you have a boyfriend?
No, I didn't have because I haven't interested yet to a boy at that time.
Okay, that he wasn't interested yet for Disney. All right, this already goes is Eka. When you try to say it's about that, that's already detail ya. That's why that you try to put about the flavor of the food that you like it, and also support of the teacher ya, who taught you at that moment. Okay, perfect ya, Sis Eka, nggak ada yang miss. And how about you, Bro Fahmi? You remember your school, Bro Fahmi?
Yes, I do.
Okay, and who was your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher was Mr. Ibrahim. He is English teacher.
And what did you like to eat at school canteen?
I like to eat yellow rice with fried small chicken or fried tofu.
Mm-mm. Did you have a girlfriend?
I had a girlfriend because when I was hanging out with friends, everyone was coupled up except me.
Mm-mm.
So I decided to date someone.
Mm-mm. Okay, that's really cool ya. That you decided to date with someone else nih. That's really cool Bro Fahmi ya. Cuma ini aja, tadi gurunya, my favorite teacher was English ya. Jadi pakai yang was Bro Fahmi. Jadi jangan pakai yang
Oh,
is.
was.
Jadi kalau masa lampau pakai yang
Okay.
was ya. Tapi kalau masa sekarang
Okay.
pakai is ya. For this one itu aja sih. Untuk koreksi grammatical structure-nya, detailingnya oke banget ya. Lengkap semua. That's a perfect for that thing. And next, Sis Lita. We finally that you raise your hand. Come on, Sis Lita. Do you remember your school?
Yes, I do. I have many good memories when I was in my senior high school.
And who was your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher is Mrs. Rina. She was my biology teacher because she was very kind and she was very loving.
What did you like at school canteen?
I like to eat toast with blueberry jam and cheese.
Mm-mm. And did you have a boyfriend?
Yes, I did. I had a boyfriend before, but he cheated on me with my best friend. So after that, I decided to stay single.
Okay, wow, this is a really cool answer, Sis Lita ya. And we could hear your voice because the several days ago there were something wrong with your voice ya, or that's with your mic because we cannot hear for this one. Okay, now this is really clear and easy to catch ya. Untuk grammatical structure-nya aman semua, Sis Lita, gak ada yang miss, dan untuk penyusunannya juga really cool, pengucapan juga oke nih. Nice try, Sis Lita. Sis Lala, it's your turn. Do you have a boyfriend? And do you have a boy? Do you remember your school?
Yes, I do. I remember.
And who is your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher was Mrs. Riadiana. That's his name. And she was teach me about economic. And then she is so kind and chill.
And also, what did you like to eat at school canteen?
I like to eat anything about banana in my canteen school.
And did you have a boyfriend?
I did not have because there was nothing I liked before.
Wow. So really cool ya. For this one ya. Saya nggak ada yang seperti Jimin ya. That's why that you dislike it.
Yes,
All of the
it's
boys
true.
in your class ya. Or at your school. Okay, so sis Lola untuk ini aja ya. Jadi nggak perlu pakai she was teach me ya. Now, jadi langsung aja pakai verb 2 ya. She taught me. She taught me for this one ya. Jadi nggak perlu pakai was ya sis Lola ya. Untuk
Okay.
she was teach me. Jadi she taught me. Jadi dia mengajariku nih atau mengajar ya. Jadi nggak perlu pakai was. Pakai verb 2 langsung aja dari teach-nya ya.
Okay,
Itu untuk
thank
koreksi
you, Bro
grammatical
Yus.
structure-nya. You're welcome sis Lola. And Bro Shiva, how about you? Do you remember your school? Something. Maybe there's something wrong with Bro Shiva connection. Or it's kinds of wait. The last one says Maidita. Ada nih sis Maidita. Okay, there's nothing to. Okay, so thank you teman-teman that you have tried to tell us about your school memory ya. This is really great. Jadi kita bisa pakai verb 2 teman-teman, dan jangan lupa ketika ada feeling ya atau perasaan kita bisa pakai was atau were. For example, I was really happy kayak gitu ya. Atau that you say about I was really shy ya. Jadi aku sangat malu, that you could say it about this one ya. And also, jadi kalau semisal kita mau bilang kayak guru favoritku adalah guru bahasa Inggris. Jadi my favorite teacher was English teacher. Itu juga bisa pakai was dikarenakan itu nyebutin sebuah profesi ya. Jadi kita pakai were ketika gurunya lebih dari satu ya teman-teman ya. My favorite teacher were ya, for example, biology and also English, that you could say it's about that name. Oke, so thank you teman-teman that you have tried to join the sober class. Kita ketemu lagi besok ya. Dan besok kita akan melatih telinga kita dengan listening. Silahkan persiapkan earphone teman-teman ya. Besok kita latihan telinga kita dengan listening. Kita akan menebak dan juga melengkapi beberapa kosakata ya. Jadi siapkan earphone-nya, siapkan catatannya, kita akan melatih listening kita nih. Thank you teman-teman that you have tried to join this our class. Kita ketemu lagi besok and see you.